Morning, guys. Come along with me to make some pancakes. Now, I haven't made pancakes in a minute. By a minute, I mean like years. So please bear with me. It's not gonna be perfect, and I'm just gonna make a classic pancake. So I want you guys to let me know what you add in your pancake so I can try that next, because all I know is a classic pancake. So that's what I'm gonna make, and for some reason I have a feeling I'm gonna burn it because I do not trust the pot that I'm gonna be using. I mean the pan. But like, let's do it.
You? How are you? I'm okay. Oh, you are Baran.
No, I'm Kwaluji.
Oh, same. Hi. Hi, Julia. Hi.
I don't want to keep on dragging this matter further on this, please. You there? Your mother is making a very good point. And that I had an accident. It's also God's art. And Moby. It's not doing very well. But at least I can accept it now.